HBAR is pumping, HBAR is dumping. Nobody knows. I'm going to be checking out the critical levels for HBAR here today. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. Guys, HBAR has partnered with BlackRock on some tokenization of real world assets, and it's gone bananas, right? It's gone bananas, but we're going to be covering what the real levels here for HBAR is, what you need to be aware of. So guys, let's jump right into it. But first, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe. 80% of you guys are watching these videos are not hitting that subscribe. Fix it. Now let's jump right into it. Here we are, guys. What's been happening with HBAR's price action? As you guys can see, we bottomed out here in the last Saturday, massive dip when the entire market dumped with Bitcoin. And since then, everything's pretty much bottomed out. We bottomed out here on the value area low of the developing range for April, and we skyrocketed to the upside, guys. And guess what? We went through, let me get rid of this gold pocket, bang. We went through this gold pocket. That was the local level right here we need to go to, which lined up with the point of control. We came right through it, bursted right through the entire value area high for the month of March and the developing range for April, and we front ran this range right up here, almost at basically 19 cents. We came up as high as 18 and 18.15. And what's this range, you must be asking yourself? Well, this range is a 2-year or a year-long range from March 21 all the way to about May, give or take, May or April of 2022. So a massive range that we were up here. So very important for us to get into that range. More about that in just a second. But where is HBAR headed right now? What is happening with HBAR? Well, real simple, guys. HBAR right now, right, front ran this level, this value area low of this value. We're coming back down, getting a massive wick to the downside. We're trying to hold the point of this red line right here, which is the value area high for the range of March. If we lose this, we currently have come as low as the 0.5, right, which is from the low to the very high, with the 0.5 at 12 cents, and we bounced off of it. But if this 0.5 does not hold, we're probably going to be coming back to this gold pocket here, about 0.11 to 0.10 cents, give or take, which is the gold pocket here for HBAR, which also kind of lines up with the point of control for the developing range in April. That being said, guys, if that happens, could we have a bounce here? Yes, we could absolutely have a bounce here, right, and come back up. And once we stay, or we can lock up, or, right, if today we still close above this value area high, right now we're currently below it, but we can still have time to, we still have 8 hours to be able to close this above here and continue moving above the developing value area high. If that is done and we continue moving to the upside, the big target here is 19 cents. We get above 19 cents and enter this blue zone where HBAR is going for a nice little ride, let me tell you. But for now, I'm looking for lower targets, this 10 cents. If this is lost, if this point of control is lost and we don't hold this, which also lines up with the value area low here from March, then we're potentially coming as low as 8 cents again. We just don't know if that's going to happen right now in the next 2 days. That would be a drop of 38%, give or take. I don't see that happening right off the rip. I think that's a very aggressive drop to the downside for HBAR in a bullish market. I don't believe that's going to happen, but we could see something where we drop down, have a little bit of a bounce, get rejected again, come back and slowly make our way down there, right? If nothing great happens, if the overall markets for crypto and Bitcoin takes a pullback, we could definitely see a slow dwindle down to the downside here, but we will see what happens. Guys, April's almost over and then May's coming, right? Sell in May and walk away. That's always a big thing. So we will see what happens in May as April closes out here. But right now, after the HBAR news, HBAR is having a retracement. So what to expect? These are the levels. These are the critical levels for HBAR. This is Blockchain Crusader, crusading through the blockchains. Until next time, see ya.